I'm an elf today. Ooh, wah, wah. Ooh, so pretty, yes. Ho, ho, ho! It's the holidays! And who doesn't want holiday nails for Christmas? Why, hello there, everyone! How you doing? How's life going? I am Julie and welcome to How to Be a Girl, the channel of where I try my very best to do girly things, but they may or may not work, and I want to do them simple and quick and DIY the crap out of it because I am not a girly girl and I want to be girly sometimes, you know, like, ooh, look at these nails. Is that a snowflake? No, it's my nail. Ooh, is that a present? No, it's my nail. So, in today's webisode, first one here on this channel, let us get to 10 easy DIY holiday nails. Warning, there may be a fail or two in this webisode. Will there be? Or will it be a success? I don't know, or do I? Let's just get to it and see for ourselves. Yeah, woo! First things first, put a base coat on your nails. Let that dry a couple of minutes to the touch and then add on some bright green nail polish. So after that green coat is on your nails and nice and dry, take a really metallic-y, gold-colored, glittery nail polish and on a diagonal, take the polish on your nail, starting on the left side and just pull it towards the right side of your nail into a bigger diagonal going down towards your nail. Do this for a couple of coats and then let your nail dry, put on your top coat, and you're done. These ones actually look like those press-on nails that you can buy at a store. You didn't, so you just saved yourself a whole bunch of money and you did them in like 10 minutes or less. I am going to take off these fingers. Wait, I am going to remove the nail polish from these fingers, leave this one, and do 4 more simple holiday designs because hey, if I can do it, then that means that you can definitely do this too. So let's make it easy and get to it. Let's remove this nail polish.
5 minutes later.
Painted this one red, this one a goldish color, this one white, and then yet again the goldish color. Do a base coat for each one, let it dry, followed by 2 coats of the color, let it dry, and now let's get on to the decorating. So for the red one, I want to stay red and green for Christmas. I'm gonna take the bright green nail polish again. I am going to wipe off the polish on both sides, getting the excess. Now I am just going to take my brush here and I'm gonna do another diagonal, except I'm going to face it in the other direction. So instead of going right to left, I'm going to go left to right. Now while that one dries, I am going to go on to the middle nail here. So I am going to take my metallic gold color glitter and I am going to do 2 diagonals on both sides of my nail here and go left to right into the middle and then right to left into the middle again so that they meet right in the middle. Now for the white one, I'm just gonna do what I just did for the gold one, except I'm gonna do it on a white nail with red instead. So pull from the left to the right into the middle with your red on top of your white polish and then do it from the other side. Left to right into the middle. You could leave this one exactly how it is, just let it dry, but I actually think that this will look nice with some loose gold kind of glitter on top of it, so I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna start from the bottom of the white and just pull up a little bit. Okay, and now for this last one here, I am going to take this green. You can either do the green or the red, but red would be beautiful too. Just gonna do a straight line across, kind of like a French manicure, except we're doing gold at the bottom and green on top. If you are gifted in doing nails, you just do one whole line across, but me, I gotta stop halfway and then come back from the other side. So, and now I'm just going to do another layer so that the green is more pronounced and it's a brighter green. And alrighty, I think that'll do it for these 5 fingers here. Just gotta wait for all of them to dry and then put on a top coat. Call it a day. I think that all of these are great and wonderful for Christmas, especially being simple and quick to do, or getting ready for a holiday party, or for Christmas itself, or Christmas Eve. It all depends on what you are wearing for your outfit, what your colors are. If you're wearing black, I'm going to go with this gold one. I think this one is very elegant looking for Christmas. It just depends if you want to be more bright and festive, then go with these red and green ones, or the green or red metallic ones. Even this red and white one with the gold sparkles, I like all of them. They all would be great for some kind of more elegant yet festive kind of outfit and theme you're trying to go on for your holiday look. And now let's get on to 5 more easy nail designs. Alright, see these? Oh, it's the last time you're gonna see them. At least on me. You might see them on you, but I'm gonna take these off now. Okay, bye. Say bye, nails. Bye. And wha-bam! Woo! Look at these last 5. Oh wait, I did not show you how to do these yet. I guess let me show you how to make this beautiful dotted kind of wrapping paper nail. This wrapping paper nail with a golden ribbon. The shiny one with more shinies. This green one with shinies. And this beautiful red shiny one with a shiny snowflake on it. Warning, I did fail on attempting to try something different with this garlic. I tried taking, snipping off this mesh part and putting it on my nails to make a kind of design, which is what I did with this one. This one was semi-successful. I like the texture in it. But when I did it with these 2 originally, but the nail polish I used is a really good nail polish, and so the nail polish hardened, and then when I put another nail polish on top of it, it made nail polish at the bottom really wet again, and so I put new green and new red on there. And with the red one, I took this shiny golden kind of color, glitter, and I did a line down the middle of the red. I could have left it just like that, and it looked nice, but I felt like it was lacking something. I felt like also I would add too much and make it too busy if I added something else, but I kind of like it. It's like wrapping paper with a ribbon on there. And to make the dots for these 2, I took this ginormous bobby pin here because I don't have a nail dotter, and if you don't, you can just take these bobby pins. I don't know about you, but I have big ones and small ones, but the big ones make the big dots. You could also make small dots with these. You just gotta be more gentle with your touch. And I just took my 2 colors and I boop, 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 put it onto my nail here on both of these 2 nails, just different colors. This one I don't have a ribbon, it's just the white with the green and the red. This one is red with the green and the white and the golden ribbon. And then this one here is golden. I tried doing the garlic mesh on there with the golden color at the bottom, the metallic gold. Then I put golden glitter on top through the mesh. And when I pulled it off, like half of it worked, sort of, but it kind of made a little texture that I liked. So I kept that, and I just added on this white glitter, which is kind of like a sparse kind of glitter. It's spread out, and I think it worked really well. It's kind of shiny. I like the gold and the snow kind of effect for Christmas, so that one's simple. And then for the green one, I just took these white shiny glitters, and that's what it looks like. Oh wait, hold on, I messed up. This one, I put on silver shinies. I just took some silver sparklies and I put it on there. That's right. Sorry, my bad. They all look so shiny, and my girl eyeballs are not used to them. I just thought they were all the same. Anyways, and then for this one, I just took some of this red glittery nail polish. After putting a base coat, let that dry. Then I put on 2 coats of this red, let that dry. And then with my white liner here, I did an X, doot, doot, and then I did a line through the X, and I made the snowflake. And then after that dried, I took my silvery glitter kind of liner and I just went over the white of the snowflake and I made it a shiny snowflake. I think they all look really nice. They came out way different than I anticipated, but you know what? I made it work. I made 10 different DIY holiday nails, and I'm pretty proud of that for my first webisode for how to be a girl. I am not good at girly things, so I feel very great that I can make some beautiful looking nails from my amateurish talent of being a girl here. I think that's a pretty cool idea for a channel, is I'm not a pro. I'm not claiming to be a pro. I'm just like you most likely, and I want to make nice things. I want to be more girly and do makeup and hair and nails and stuff, and sometimes it's gonna work, sometimes it's not gonna work, but I'm gonna try, and if I find ways that do work, I'm gonna share it with you, and hopefully not fail too much, because you gotta learn something, right? Maybe don't do this or do that. Anywho, I am Julie. I hope you guys like this first webisode of How to Be a Girl, and I hope that you're having a lovely day and a lovely holiday coming up here in the next few days. And I will see you next Friday for the next webisode of How to Be a Girl. Let me know down in the comments below of what you'd like to see next. Would it be something with hair? Something with makeup? I don't think I'm there yet. But more nails? I don't know. Clothes? Let me know down in the comments below of what you would like to see next. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you next time. That was my cat, Brutus. He just sneezed. Okie dokie. Bye. Mwah, mwah. Oh, so pretty, yes.